Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a spellbook in Islands. This guide will help you understand the entire process, from gathering materials to wielding your new magical item. A spellbook is a fantastic tool to boost your magical prowess and make your adventures much easier. We will cover everything you need to know to successfully craft and utilize this powerful item. To begin your spellbook journey, you will need to gather 3 special pages, one green, one blue, and one red. These magical pages are dropped by wizard lizards, which can be found on Wizard Island. Remember, you must be at least combat level 24 to enter Wizard Island and face these creatures. Defeating the wizard boss also offers a higher chance of obtaining these crucial pages. Once you have all 3 colored pages, head to an anvil to craft your spellbook. If you do not yet have an anvil, you will need to craft a Tier 2 workbench first. This workbench requires 50 iron to construct. With your anvil ready, simply place the green, blue, and red pages into the crafting interface to create your very own spellbook. Congratulations, you have crafted a spellbook. Equip this powerful item to unleash magical fireballs upon your foes. The spellbook significantly boosts your magic damage, making it an invaluable asset for combat and gaining magic experience. It will make fighting bosses and other challenging enemies much easier, providing a clear advantage in your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.